Sensory Readable is software that reads text aloud. Hi, I'm Sonya, a human-sounding, intelligent Microsoft natural voice that can be used with the latest Sensory Readable on your Windows computer. Sensory Readable is software that reads any text aloud. You can use it to listen to documents, notes, web pages, or anything you've written. Think of Sensory Readable as your digital proofreader, helping you catch errors, improve grammar, and enhance your writing style.
Why use Sensory Readable? Hello, I am Ryan. Sensory Readable offers many benefits for writers and learners of all levels. Better writing. Listening to your own text helps you find mistakes, awkward sentences, and unclear expressions. It also lets you hear how your tone, voice, and rhythm will sound to others, helping you make your writing more effective and engaging. Improved understanding. Listening to text can help you better understand complex or new topics. It can also help you remember information more easily, speeding up learning. Increased productivity. Listening to text saves time and energy. You can also multitask, consuming information while doing other things.